Welcome all. Today's top breaking news with Gitanjali from Bayan Times. Big B in Prabhas Nagashwin film. Director Nagashwin came up with a big announcement. It's certainly a big announcement and worth all the hype. None other than Bollywood superstar Amitabh Bachchan is roped in for a vital role in the movie, which will feature Deepika Padukone playing Prabhas' love interest. Unlike his previous Telugu films, Big B plays a full-length role in Prabhas 21. This means there will be numerous scenes, Prabhas and Amitabh to be seen together. Nagashwin said, I feel lucky and blessed that Bachchan sir has selected our film among the many choices he has. It is a full-length role which we believe will do justice to the legend that he is. Andhra Pradesh first pilot training center to come up in Kurnool. The first pilot training center in the state is likely to come up in Kurnool. Kurnool Airport has been developed by the Andhra Pradesh Airport Development Corporation Limited APADCL on about 970 acres at a cost of Rs 160 crore with a 2000-meter long and 30-meter wide runway and is awaiting clearance from the center to begin operations. The pilot training center is contemplated at Kurnool as it is close to Hyderabad and Bangalore airports. 5,145 new cases reported in Andhra Pradesh, taking tally to 7,44,864. Coronavirus cases in Andhra Pradesh have declined again. According to the latest health bulletin released by the state, 70,521 samples were tested and as many as 5,145 were diagnosed with coronavirus, which brings the number of COVID infections in the state to 7,44,864. 6 independents filed nomination for the Dubuck on first day. 6 independents filed one set of nominations each on the first day of nominations for the Dubuck Assembly constituency by-election in Dubuck on Friday. The 6 Burra Ravi Teja, Revu Chinna Dhanaraju, Srikant Silveru, Mote Naresh, Misala Rajasagar and Kota Shamkumar made the returning officer Chennaiya at his office in Dubuck and submitted their nominations. Earlier, the Election Commission of India had issued notification for the Dubuck by-election, which was necessitated following the death of sitting TRS MLA Solipeta Ramlinga Reddy. Hearing of Jagan's cases begins in ED Special Court. The hearing of Andhra Pradesh Chief Minister Y.S. Jagannath Reddy's illegal assets case has begun in the Enforcement Directorate Special Court. Actually, Jagan's cases were scheduled to come up for hearing on October 13. However, respective courts have pushed forward the dates of cases filed against political leaders. Ashok Reddy informed the ED court that all the ED cases were currently in the CBI Special Court and that he had filed a petition urging the High Court to transfer even this case to the CBI Special Court. He said that the petition filed by him will come up for hearing on October 20. Naidu asked Andhra Pradesh government to make efforts to save lives. Telugu Desam Party TDP National President N. Chandrababu Naidu stressed the need for the Andhra Pradesh government to make more serious efforts in order to save the lives of people from impending second wave of coronavirus. Naidu alleged that Andhra Pradesh Chief Minister Y.S. Jagannath Reddy was not talking at all on preventive measures and it was more interested in reopening the schools, theatres and liquor shops regardless of the threat of infections. Chandrababu Naidu said that a more focused, cluster-based approach would be necessary to effectively prevent the disastrous impact of the second wave infections. SC bench to hear arguments on division of power utility employees between Telangana state and Andhra Pradesh. A Supreme Court bench will be hearing the arguments over the final division and allocation of employees between the power utilities of Telangana state and Andhra Pradesh on Monday. The bench will be dealing with the petitions filed by the Telangana Transco, Genco and Telangana Engineers Association TEEA questioning the final allocations made by the one-member Justice Dharmadhikari Committee appointed by the Apex Court to look into the allocation of staff between the Telugu states following bifurcation of erstwhile Andhra Pradesh. With this, we conclude with our today's news headlines. For more such latest news and updates, like, share and subscribe Bayan Times.